तरणाट्यांनी मांडवीत आयज पेंवपाचो घोस्त काडलो. आमिगो स्विमींग क्लबान आयज मांडवीत पेंवपाचो उपक्रम घडोवन हाडलो. वेगवेगळ्या वाठारांनी वांटेकार जाल्ल्या स्विमरांक प्रोत्साहन मेळचें म्हूण पेंवप जाल्या उपरांत ट्रॉफी आनी प्रमाणपत्रां भेटयलीं. पळयात.
Lot of potential for swimming. I appeal the parents. If your children have started swimming, please encourage them. Let them go to that extent. Today you have crossed the river Mandovi. It is not easy crossing the river Mandovi. I am not a swimmer, but I can feel the undercurrents. It's very difficult. Similar events are held at the international level. You know the English Channel?
Yeah.
It's a great swim which is conducted every year, and it's not easy. It is 14 degrees temperature in English Channel. It is 29 kilometers. It takes about 7 hours to cross the English Channel, and you have to do lot of practice, lot of dedication. So I'm very happy that parents, the organizers have put up this event. I hope they do continue with this, and I wish everyone a great success in your career. At the same time, I am very happy to know many of the students they are very they are also excellent in studies. Please keep it up. I am also happy that one of the parents had also swam the event. Very encouraging, very nice. Please keep it up. Event crossing the Mandovi River by 13 swimmers has taken place. There were different categories, and this event we have been organizing annually, but due to COVID we were not able to do it. Amigos as well as the other swimming associations, they have been doing such programs every year. The aim of this program is that we are encouraging the youngsters to come up in swimming. You know, we have variety of sports in Goa as well as the nation also, but we are not able to make mark at the either at the national level or the international level. But Goa being a place where we have got plenty of water, there are water bodies, there are rivers, there are lakes, and we have got festival of waters. So that is the reason we are encouraging people to come out, learn swimming, and make yourself available for national events. That is the motive behind it. We will be distributing prizes to those who have participated.
Okay. How was the experience? Good. Was it deep? Not deep. So did you? How did you practice?
First, we gone for practice in Asarna.
Okay. So what do you want to become swimmer?
Just me.
Okay. Next one. Yeah, you. Wait.
It was good, fun.
So after 2 years you are swimming?
Yes,
Okay. So stay there. Okay. How much tired you felt?
I felt a bit, but I didn't feel completely tired. It wasn't that tired.
Okay. So what are the steps you take to practice this now?
The steps I just practice every day. I go to cafes swimming, and I do.
Okay. So in the deep river now, you didn't get afraid to swim?
No, it wasn't a feeling, especially because of there were lifeguards, etc. There was nothing to fear of.